everyone, this is Pretty from Foshan Today. Welcome to my channel. And today I'll show you a lot of Rattan chairs here. You can see there are all kinds of Rattan chairs, and most of them are yellow, and maybe some of are green and gray. And as you can see, this is a long chair, so you can lean in it, have a rest, and you can regard it as a bed. And like this one, this is a set. And let me ask the boss how much it is. 老板，请问这一套大概多少？1300。All about it is about 1,300 RMB. And if you buy more, maybe the boss can give you a small discount. And like this one, this is a single one. And I know maybe it can operate it. That means I can choose different degree as I want. You just press these buttons and push your back, and then you can have the other degree. So it's very convenient. Also, it's very comfortable, and it's easy to come back. And how much it is? 请问这个大概多少？1000. It's just about 1,000 RMB, so it is inexpensive of high quality here. And let me show you more. And like this one, this is also a single coupled with the coffee table. And when I sit in it, it's very solid, but it's a little hard and not so soft. So maybe I don't like this kind. So maybe I think if you have the elder in your home, maybe they'll like it, especially some elder people, maybe in the countryside and stuff like that. And like this kind, they are all the swing chair, and maybe I can try it for you. Oh, you can swing forth and back, so it's very comfortable. I like this kind. If I had one in my home, I like to read or have the chat in with my friends in it. And maybe it has the, oh yes, you can, it has the ottoman, so you can put your feet in it. Oh, like this. 我不知道怎么摇了，动不了了，不动它。Yeah, so it's very comfortable. So how much it is? 老板，请问这个大概多少？1100。It's just about 1,100 yuan. It's just near the factory price. So if you like to learn more, you can leave the message here, and I'll tell you more, and I can help you contact the boss here, and I'll tell you more of the details. Okay? So now just follow me. And as you can see, there are different colors, the black one, the red one, and most of them are made of wood, Rattans, so they are very solid and harsh and durable. If you buy one, you can use for many times, maybe to your next generations. So even though there are all kinds of products, but they are all similar, they have just small differences. And if you want to learn more, you can leave the message here. And if you like our channel, please give me a thumb up and subscribe our channel. So these are all about today. This is Pretty from Foshan Today. Foshan Today, the ultimate guide to Foshan Furniture Market. So see you next time.